For this problem, we're going to take the Laplace transform of t times a given function. And the idea here is we use the derivative rule, which is really just the opposite of the derivative of the Laplace transform. So for this problem here, we have to first identify the Laplace transform of the sine of 4t, and then take its derivative, and then take the opposite of that. So this is going to be equal to the negative derivative of the Laplace transform of the sine of 4t, which is 4 over s squared plus 16. Now to take this derivative, you could use a quotient rule, but it's probably a lot easier to use the chain rule instead. So this is going to be the opposite of the derivative of 4 times s squared plus 16 to the negative 1 power. So in using the chain rule, we're going to have the negative out front already, times the negative coming down from the power rule, times the 4, times the s squared plus 16, now to the negative 2 power, because we're subtracting 1. And then, of course, we multiply by the derivative of the inside, which is 2 times s. And this simplifies nicely into an 8 times s as our numerator, and we've got an s squared plus 16 squared for our new denominator. And that is a Laplace transform of t times the sine of 4t.